Kangaroos and dogs share a deadly rivalry. But before we dive in, subscribe to the channel or this kangaroo might show up at your door, ready to box. Whenever a dog spots a kangaroo, it immediately gives chase. And the kangaroo, it runs straight into the water to save itself, because in water the dog can't attack. But here's where things take a turn. The kangaroo grabs the dog underwater and dunks it again and again until the dog can't come back up. So next time, don't mistake a kangaroo for being weak. It doesn't just run, it knows how to fight back and take revenge when it counts.